Guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'm going to talk about Hungary's digital nomad visa. If you are looking to move in Schengen zone easily and want 100% guaranteed visa, you want the surety of your visa, then you must apply the Hungarian white card, which is also known as Hungarian digital nomad visa. And ये उनके लिए है who are freelancers and who want to work remotely while sitting in Hungary anywhere in Hungarian, I mean mainland. So this video is all about Hungarian digital nomad visa. If you are from anywhere in the world, you can easily apply for this particular digital nomad visa and you can work remotely anywhere in Hungary. Now I will tell you the key facts and the eligibility of this particular Hungarian digital nomad visa. Before starting the video, I would like to introduce myself. मेरा नाम नितिन कुमार श्रीवास्तव है and I'm a student at University of Messina and I do make videos in study visa, work visa and travel visa. अब मैं आता हूँ डायरेक्ट टॉपिक पे, ओके? अब मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि क्या क्या इसके की फैक्ट्स एंड एलिजिबिलिटी हैं इस हंगेरियन डिजिटल नोमैड वीज़ा का. सो पहले तो मैंने आपको बताया इट इज़ नॉन एज हंगेरियन वाइट कार्ड, launched 2-3 years back for the non-EU nationals who want to reside and work for their company or for their one company, while residing anywhere in Hungary. Now, who can apply? As I told you, this is for the non-EU nationals. So, if you are a non-EU national, you can apply for this particular Hungarian, digital nomad visa. Now, not only the people who are working for any other companies. If you are a business owner, if you are running any kind of business, if you are owning any sorts of business, you can also apply for this Hungarian digital nomad visa. Now I will tell you the income requirement. Okay, so अगर आपकी income जो भी आप काम करते हो, either you are working as a, a professional skilled, or either you are owning your own company, तो आपकी 3,000 यूरो पर मंथ एटलीस्ट होनी चाहिए फॉर द लास्ट 6 मंथ बिफोर अप्लाइंग. एंड आपका जो प्रूफ होना चाहिए, वैलिड होना चाहिए इनकम प्रूफ. जिस भी कंट्री से हो वहाँ का आपको प्रॉपर इनकम टैक्स लगाना है, इनकम प्रूफ लगाना है कि आप इतना कमाते हो. ठीक है, उसके बाद बात करूँ मैं तो एटलीस्ट आपको अपने सेविंग्स अकाउंट में 10,000 यूरोस के करीब करीब दिखाना पड़ेगा कि आपने सेविंग्स करके रखी है. अगर आपको कोई भी यहाँ पे फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी प्रूफ शो करनी हो तो आप शो कर सकोगे. आपको किसी भी प्रॉब्लम में आप खुद को स्पॉन्सर कर सकोगे. ठीक है. Now I will tell you the required documents that what you need for this particular Hungarian digital nomad visa application. So you need a very valid passport. Along with that, you need 2 passport size photos, proof of your remote work, employment contract or business ownership papers from a non-Hungarian entity, company, bank statement for the last 6 months having showing at least 3,000 euros per month income. Along with that, as I told you, in additionally, you have to show 10,000 INR, सॉरी 10,000 यूरोज इन योर सेविंग्स अकाउंट, ताकि आप अपने फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी को प्रूफ कर सको. ठीक है. उसके अलावा आपको प्रूफ ऑफ एकोमोडेशन भी दिखाना है. ठीक है. यू हैव टू शो प्रूफ ऑफ एकोमोडेशन when you will apply for this particular Hungarian digital nomad visa. So what you can do, you can book at least 6 months or 1 year of any Airbnb accommodation. You have to find out by yourself because you need to show for entire duration of your stay over there. You have to also show a health insurance coverage, okay, of 1 year, and that should cover at least 30,000 euros of health coverage. Along with that, you have to show your criminal record certificate. I mean that you have to show the PCC of your passport. And if I talk about other thing, then you have to show your return ticket proof, your proof of that you will go to Hungary and then you will come back once you will finish your this particular digital nomad visa category stay period. And if your documents are not in English and if your documents are not in Hungarian, so you have to translate your documents into English or either Hungarian. Okay. Now I will talk about the application and processing. So what you have to do, you have to simply submit your particular you have to simply submit the application for this Hungarian Digital Nomad Visa. Okay, you have to go to the embassy and you have to submit your uh, visa. If I talk about the biometrics, so there can be biometrics fingerprints that you have to do at the immigration office. Okay, now I will talk about the fees. So you have to pay the counselor fees of 110 euros, and you have to also pay the fee which can be additional at the embassy or VFS for other things. So this is the particular video that I have shooted for Hungarian digital nomad visa. Now what I want to say you that processing time will be around 21 to 30 days. And if I talk about the time period of visa, so it will be 1 year. You can also apply for Hungarian temporary residence permit card. Okay, and in the last, what I will suggest you, this is one of the golden opportunity for those who just want to move to any Senegal country and who want to work remotely, who want the access of any Senegal zone, and even though who want to start their one business. So this is something that I told you about the Hungarian digital nomad visa. मैंने आपको अच्छे से बताया and I hope आपको अच्छा लगेगा. And if you like this video, please do like, share, subscribe, and see you guys in next video. And thank you for watching this.